Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Putera Nur Aiman bin Borhanuddin and my matrix number is S59610. For this assignment question, I have provided additional information and worksheet as provided in the question. I have also prepared a statement of cash flow for success Serian Berhad. First of all, we look at the additional information first to identify where to record them. First, cash dividend of 10,000 were paid during the year. We need to record in statement of cash flow in financing activities. Second, land which originally cost 60,000 was sold for 52,000. We need to record in statement of cash flow. Investing activities. Third, ordinary shares were issued for cash. We need to record in statement of cash flow in financing activities. And lastly, net profit before taxation is 21,000. We need to record in statement of cash flow in operating activities. Next, we move on to the incomplete worksheet. First, we need to settle in the debit part, or also called the asset. If the ending balance was decreased, we need to record in the credit section, and if the ending balance increased, we need to record in the debit section. First, land. The ending balance was decreased, so we have to record in the credit section of 60,000. Equipment increased, so we need to record in debit of 9,000. Inventory increased, debit 20,000. Account receivable increase, debit 13,000. And cash increase, debit 35,000. Then we have to settle the credit part, or also called liability. If the ending balance increase, we need to record in the credit section, and if the ending balance decrease, we have to record in the debit section. Share capital ordinary shares. The ending balance was increased, so we need to record in the credit section of 10,000. Return earning is a special case where in credit we need to enter the amount 21,000 because net profit, and debit 10,000, and we will get an ending balance is 71,000. And then for the bond payable, we enter as before, decrease, so we need to record in debit 15,000. Accumulate depreciation for equipment increase, credit 14,000. And lastly, account payable was decreased, debit 3,000. Then we can start to prepare a statement of cash flow for success Serian Berhad. First, cash flow from operating activities. We have a net profit before tax, which is 21,000. And then we have an adjustment for. Firstly, we have a loss on disposal of land. This I said because land originally cost 60,000 and we sold for only 52,000 and we lost 8,000. And then we have depreciation expense. We can get from accumulated depreciation on which sheet, which is the ending balance was increased, which is the add depreciation expense 14,000. And then we have add or deduct changes in working capital. Firstly, we need to look at asset. We have inventory and account receivable. Inventory increase, account receivable increase. So we type here increase on inventory. The format for asset, increase on asset we need to deduct, and decrease on asset we need to add. So for this case we need to deduct. We need to deduct 20,000 for inventory, and then increase on account receivable, same goes, we need to deduct 13,000. And then we look at liability. We have account payable, which is decrease. The format for liability, if decrease on liability, we need to deduct, and increase on liability, we need to add. So in this case, we need to deduct. We need to deduct 3,000, and then we can get net cash flow from operating activities. Then cash flow from investing activities, we have proceed from sale of land, which is we receive the cash 52,000. And then we have purchase of equipment, which is we have purchased new equipment for this financial year, which is 9,000. We purchase, which is we need to pay, so we need to deduct 9,000, and we can get net cash flow from investing activities. And then cash flow from financing activities, we have payment of cash dividend. We pay, so we need to deduct. We need to deduct 10,000. And then we have issuance of ordinary share, which is we receive cash, so we need to add $10,000. And lastly, we have payment of bond payable. We pay, so we need to deduct 15,000, and then we can get net cash flow from financing activities. Then how to know we get increase or decrease in cash? We need to sum three activities, and we get a positive amount, so we get increase in cash. Net increase in cash 35,000. And then cash at the beginning of financial year, we can get from worksheet, which is 30,000. And lastly, to get cash at the end of financial year, we need to sum the total, and we get 65,000. This amount should be equal to the amount in the worksheet, and this show our calculation are correct. That's all for me. Thank you.